How to customize Do Not Disturb on your iPhone 8 Plus. Do Not Disturb helps silence calls, alerts, and notifications so you can stay focused or avoid interruptions whenever you need. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Then tap Focus. Next, simply tap Do Not Disturb. From here, you can customize who is allowed to contact you, choose which apps can send notifications, and schedule Do Not Disturb to turn on automatically at specific times, locations, or when using certain apps, depending on your iOS version. You can also enable or disable options like allowing repeated calls. Once you've finished making your changes, simply go back. Your settings are saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully customized Do Not Disturb on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.